Folk literature of Karnataka. Folk tradition in Karnataka, as elsewhere, began orally. The systematic study of folk literature was initiated by, in fact, European scholars. Kittle and Reverend Mogling of Basel Mission Church, Mangaluru, have done a yeoman service in recording folk literature of Karnataka, especially the northern Karnataka. These are the stories which could make wonderful film material, and it is no exaggeration that if you say that the genesis of the majority of the film stories is the folk literature. Abhay Dubey's work, Hindu Manners, Customs and Ceremonies of 1816, contained the details about these manners, customs and rituals, etc. They also contained many folk tales. Mary Ferrer's Old Deccan Days of 1868 was an independent collection of 25 folk tales in the olden days. Among the Karnataka folklorists in Kodagu, Dr. Koravanda Appaya in 1902 has written a Kodagara Kulucharadi Tattvajivini. It contained Kodagina Takkaramme, that means headships, festivals, folk dances and songs. It is a study of folk and historical aspects of Kodagu. Nadikiriyenda Chinnappa book in Kodava language called Pattole Palame contains customs and rituals of Kodavas. It is a collection of regional folklore with Kannada commentary. Halasingi brothers of North Karnataka published a folk songs and ballads, Lavanis, titled Garatiya Hadu, Mallige Dande and Jeevana Sangeeta. Archaka B. Rangaswamy Bhatta of Mandya district brought out a book called Huttu the Halli, a folk collection. Vithoba Venkanna brought out Halliya Hadugalu in 1933, which depicted the rural traditions of the entire village. During the pre-independence period, B.S. Gaddigimat was perhaps the first scholar in Kannada to secure a doctorate for his thesis on folklore. Dr. H.M. Naik, Dr. Javaregoda, Barguru Ramachandrappa and Sri M.G. Nagaraj, etc. are the other Kannada scholars who have contributed substantially to the folk literature of Karnataka. Mysore University established a folklore research center at Mysore. Even Hampi Kannada University at Shivamogga and Kuempu University, etc. also have been in the forefront nowadays. Similarly, the books on the people of subculture written by different authors, for example, to name a few, Dadpir on Pinjara Sanskriti, Sayyid Jamirullah Sharif on Gondara Sanskriti, Purushottama Bilimale on Koragara Sanskriti, Siddha Gangaya Kambalu on Iruligara Sanskriti, Ambalike Hiriyanna on Koche Goligara Sanskriti, Devendra Kumara Hakari on Dambara Sanskriti, Dr. Ramachandrachar on Kudiyara Sanskriti, P.N. Harish on Yaravara Sanskriti, Krishnamurti Hunnur on Myasa Bedara Sanskriti, Lakshmipati Kolar on Mastikara Sanskriti, Kotaganahalli Ramaya on Sindha Madigara Sanskriti, Rajappa Dalwai on Hakki Pikki Sanskriti, etc. contain the folk culture factors comprehensively. Two other main centers for the study of folk literature are Karnataka Janapada Trust and Karnataka Janapada Yakshagana Academy. The Karnataka Janapada Trust has a collection of more than 1,000 folk songs recorded from all over the state. The Janapada Yakshagana Academy brings out an annual collection of folklore at a low cost. Kannada Sahitya Parishat also published many books as folklore. In 2012, Janapada University has been established at Haveri. Hampe Kannada University has a research-oriented course in folklore. The Kodava Adhyayana Pita of Mangalore University is a recording the variety of Kodava folk songs. Karnataka Janapada Kathegalu, published in 1969 by Ramegowda. Kannada Janapada Kathegalu, Ayda Janapada Kathegalu, and Dakshina Karnatakada Janapada Kavya Prakaragalu by G. Sham are many important books in this connection. Paramashivaya, Haviga Harida Annaya by G. V. Dasegowda, Janapada Kathegalu, Ogatugulu by Sri H. J. Lakkappa Gowda, Padineralu and Grama Devategalu by D. Lingaya, Dalimbe Rani ಮತ್ತಿತರ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಧಾರವಾಡದ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ರಾಯಚೂರು ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು by T. S. Rajappa are important works in this area. There is also ವಿಜಯಪುರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಗೊಂದಲಿಗರ ಪುರಾಣ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಗೊಂದಲಿಗರ ಕಥೆಗಳು by ಕ್ಯಾತನಹಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಮಣ್ಣ. They have been edited by the respective authors and published. Similarly, other noteworthy books that are edited are ಸಂಕಿಮ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಉತ್ತರ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆ, ಹಾಲಕ್ಕಿ ಒಕ್ಕಲಿಗರು, ಬೀದಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೆಳೆದವು, ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಸ್ತ್ರೀವಾದಿ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು, ಬಂಗಾರ ಕೂಡಲ ರಾಣಿ, ಬೆದರು ಬೊಂಬೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆಗಳು are the other noteworthy editions. Popular playwright novelist Chandrasekhar Kambara has, to his credit, many popular adaptations of the folk stories like ಸಿರಿಸಂಪಿಗೆ, ಸಿಂಗಾರವ್ವ ಮತ್ತು ಅರಮನೆ, ಕಾಡು ಕುದುರೆ, and ಸಂಗ್ಯಾ ಬಾಳ್ಯ. Girish Karnad, who wrote the folk story based play Nagamandala, has won international acclaim, and so did A.K. Ramanujan for his collection of folk stories. There are 106 oral stories by Ramanujan selected from the Indian 22 languages, who wrote the same in English under the caption Bharatiya Janapada Kathegalu. V.V. Karanth and C. Ashwath are the pioneers in scoring folk music to films. They made their debut as a music directors in movies like Vanshavraksha and Kakanakote, respectively. Many eminent folklorists have done research and made collections in the field of folklore. Famous among them are H.L. Nagegowda, K.R. Lingappa, B.B. Handi, and H.K. Rajegowda. They have done a remarkable work in this field. Siddhagangaya Kambalu has written the folklore books, namely Junjappana Kavya, Matadu Mallige, ಚಂದ್ರುಳ ಮಕ್ಕಳ 9 ಕೋಡೋಸ್ವಾಮಿ. Similarly, another folklorist, T. Govindaraju, has brought out books, namely Vanna Kanaja, Halli Mane, Prachya Sanskriti, etc., based on folklore. When we come to the realm of folk songs, we find songs for every rural activity, whether it is grinding, pounding, christening the baby, that is the naming ceremony, marriage, nuptials, or even tattooing. They are all orally composed by folk artists. Tattooing is the trote of a distinct community called Koravanjis. The Koravanji songs is in the realm of folk songs also. Kolata or stick dance, that is cane dances, is unique to Karnataka. Ballads or narrative folk song is another distinct form. Some of the popular folk storytelling in ballads are Gunasagari, Madakari Nayaka, Kitturu Chennamma, Sangolli Rayana, Balanagamma, Male Madeshwara Kavya, Manteswami Kavya, Nanjundeshwara Kavya, Junjappana Kavya, Yellammana Kavya, and Mailara Lingana Kavya. Folk theatre also has a rich tradition in Karnataka. Yakshagana of coastal Karnataka is nationally and internationally famous, and it is in vogue in different parts of Karnataka as Dodata or Bailata. Puppet theatre is another folk form classified into two categories as Togulugombe and Keelugombe. The Togulugombe is a shadow play with the help of a leather-cut human or animal or superhuman forms, and the Keelugombe are performed with the help of dolls with the movable limbs controlled by strings by the operators behind the screen. What interests as a literature is the narrative technique, which would be quite engrossing. Closely connected with the folk literature are folk arts such as Kaunsale, Chaudike, Ekatari, etc. and dances like Lambani dance, Patada Kunita, Nandi Kolu Kunita, Veeragase, Dollu Kunita, Goravara Kunita, Gondala, etc. These are all connected with the religious rituals. They are tagged with some deity, and Yakshagana and puppet show are also of similar origin. We come to the important points summarizing the essay on this. Folk tradition in Karnataka began orally. The European scholars like Kettle and Reverend Mogling initiated systematic study of folk literature. Dr. Koravanda Appaya in 1902 has written the Kodagara Kulacharadi Tattvajivini, which contained Kodagana Takkaramme festivals, folk dances and songs, and it is a study of folk and historical aspects of Kodagu. Halasangi brothers of North Karnataka published folk songs of ballads, Lavanis, titled Garatiya Hadu, Malliga Dande, and Jeevana Sangeeta. During pre-independence period, B.S. Gaddiganamata was perhaps the first scholar in Kannada to secure a doctorate for his thesis on folklore. The Karnataka Janapada Trust and Karnataka Janapada Yakshagana Academy are the main study centers of folk literature in Karnataka. Kannada Sahitya Parishat also published many books as folklore. In 2012, Janapada University has been established at Haveri. There is a Hampe Kannada University which has a research-oriented course in folklore as well. Popular playwright novelist Chandrasekhara Kambara has, to his credit, many popular adaptations of folk stories like Siri Sampige, Singaravva Muttu Aramane, Kaadu Kudure, and Sangya Balya. Girish Karnad, who wrote the folk story based play Nagamandala, has won international acclaim. B.V. Karanth and C. Ashwath are the other pioneers in scoring folk music to the films, and they made their debut as a music directors to Vamshavriksha and Kakanakote respectively. Folk theatre also has a rich tradition in Karnataka. Yakshagana of coastal Karnataka is a nationally and internationally famous. Puppet theatre is another folk form. It is classified into two categories, that is Togulugombe, that is a shadow play, and Keelugombe, which is controlled by strings by the operators.